So today we will discuss that what is AWS. So in simple word I can say that AWS is a cloud provider. Here AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Cloud, we will get back to this in a minute.
And provider stands for providing a service.
So to understand AWS, first let's discuss that what is cloud. So we had already created a separate video on this topic, so just go and check that video if you want to put this term in your mind forever. So in short, AWS is a company who has so many secure buildings at different parts of the world which contains so many machines, and people can use their machines with the help of internet. Now we will discuss that what are the benefits we get by using AWS. So for that, just imagine that you wake up at morning and you wear your shoes, put on your headphones and go for running. Actually you didn't realize, but till now you make use of product of two industries. So the first one is the manufacturing industry, which is making your running shoes, and the second one is the entertainment industry, which is producing music you are listening to. So there is one similarity between these industries which is of our concern right now, and that similarity is data. Let me explain it. So manufacturing industry is producing shoes, and as you know that shoe has so many things related to it, that is its size, its batch number, its supply ID, its category, etc, etc. Similarly in entertainment industry, when a music is produced, it contains its title, its composer, its singer and the music itself. And you know that to store this data or process this data, they need some machines. And here AWS come into the picture. Assume that manufacturing industry, that is the shoe company, is using AWS for storing and processing its data. Now let's take some scenario. So what if shoe company enhances production by 100%, that is just double. If the production is increased, then data will also increase and we need more capacity to store this data. Nothing to worry, AWS provide you capability to grow over terabytes of capacity. This is called scalability. In the second scenario, what if the shoe company is making new model secretly? So security is our concern here. So again we don't have to worry because AWS provides so many level of security assuring safety of our data. In the third scenario, what if the shoe company is facing loss and want to use just little capacity of AWS? Again we have nothing to worry because AWS mostly charge for only the amount and time you used its resources, and this is cost effectiveness which is AWS is offering. So that was some benefit of using AWS. Along with this, AWS provides so many services which we will discuss in upcoming videos. So I hope after watching this video you are clear that what is AWS. So thank you so much. See you soon.